Guys, my name is a cool kid. Today, back to with something to tell you. Um, Remember I did the puppet video? Um, I brought it from the library that I just went to. Obviously, I just told you in the video. Um, but I videotaped my stepbrother. I just realized that I have the hiccups. So yeah. Um, do you do that in puppets? So, yeah.